Hello, I'm going to be walking you through an example from NTI Day number 9 packet, how to calculate simple interest loans. If you'll flip over to page 292, you'll see the table there, problems 3 through 7, and I'm going to walk you through number 3. That particular problem says that we have an annual percentage rate of 10%, a term of 6 months. In other words, our loan period is going to be 6 months, and we want to find out what, ultimately we want to find out what's our monthly payment and how much is repaid and what's the finance charge. But first we need to look up how much a payment on a $100 loan would be at 10% for 6 months. And so we have to use this table that was provided as part of the packet. So first, on the left hand column, we want to find 6 months, and then we scroll over to the right to 10%, and underneath that is $17.16. So that's how much you would pay on a $100 loan at 10% for 6 months. So any loan over that, we'll just use the factor, use this and multiply it by the factor. We'll see how that works. Okay, so we're going to take out a loan for $1,000. That's the amount financed. And so the monthly payment is simply the factor of this divided by $100, which is 10. So I'm going to multiply 10 times $17.16 because a $1,000 loan is 10 times more than a $100 loan. So the monthly payment is $171.60. $171.60. Okay, so each time you have to calculate this factor based on the amount financed and divide that by 100. Whatever that number is, you'll multiply it by the table value. So the total amount repaid is the monthly payment times the number of months that we make the payment, which is times 6, 171.60 times 6. And if we put that in the calculator, 171.60 times 6 is 1029.60. So the total amount we repay is $1,029.60. The finance charge, that's the amount that the bank keeps. That is the difference between how much you how much in total you pay versus how much they gave you. They gave you a check for $1,000. You paid them back $1,029.60. So the finance charge is the amount that's repaid minus the finance amount, and in this case, that's $29.60. Okay, so that's just a quick run through of how to calculate the finance charge using the table that I provided. Make sure you use the table at the bottom for these type problems. The table at the top is if the length of the loan is in years. Here, the one at the bottom, the length of the loan is in months. So you have to make sure you know which one you're using, whether you're taking out a loan for a number of years or for a number of months. And so make sure you use the right table there. If you have any questions, just reach out to me on Google Classroom, and I'll be glad to help you out. Thanks. Bye.